Gut health gets talked about a lot right now, but most of the advice out there is vague. Eat more fiber, take a probiotic. I wanted to build something specific instead of general. This smoothie pairs two enzyme sources, a fiber source and a hydration. And I'm going to explain exactly what each one is doing instead of just telling you to trust me. I'm cutting fresh pineapple for this one reason. It's not just a tropical flavor. Pineapple contains an enzyme that actually does something to your digestion. And I'm pairing it with the second fruit in this smoothie that does the exact same job. Let me show you why that's not an accident. If bloating, sluggish digestion, or just wanted to support your gut day to day is something you deal with, this is built for that. I wanted to slow down on the enzyme piece specifically because it's the most interesting part of this recipe, and most smoothie recipes skips this entirely. Bromelain and papain are both prebiotic enzymes. That's just a technical way of saying they help break down protein. Your body makes its own digestive enzyme, but getting additional one from food, especially fresh, uncooked fruit, is one of the reasons pineapple and papaya specifically gets recommended for digestive support. Here's the detail that matters if you actually want the benefit. Heat breaks down bromelain. That's part of why I'm using fresh pineapple here instead of cooked or canned. Canned pineapple has typically been heated during processing, which reduces how much actual bromelain survives. Frozen fruit that hasn't been cooked keep more of it intact, which is why frozen tropical mix still works here alongside the fresh pineapple. And on the fiber side, chia seeds are what's called a prebiotic fiber source. The distinction that matters: probiotic are live bacteria. Prebiotics are what the bacteria feeds. Probiotic are live bacteria. Prebiotics are the food that feeds bacteria already in your gut. This smoothie doesn't have a probiotic ingredient in it, but the chia and the resistant starch from the banana are prebiotic, which means they're supporting whatever beneficial bacteria you already have, rather than trying to add new ones. Full batch comes out to about 565 calories and 24 grams of protein, split into 2 servings, roughly 280 calories and 12 grams of protein each. I want to be honest about what this can and cannot do. This isn't the cure for your digestive condition. And if you're dealing with a persistent issue, that's a conversation for a doctor, not a smoothie recipe. What this is: a genuinely well-built, ingredient-specific way to support digestion day to day, especially if you tend to feel sluggish or bloated and want something more targeted than a generic healthy smoothie. I drink this in the morning, ideally on a lighter stomach, so the enzymes have room to actually do their job instead of competing with a big meal. If digestion is something you have been trying to support and didn't realize fresh pineapple was actually doing real work, not just adding flavor, let me know in the comments. I want to know if this is a topic worth going deeper on. Save this recipe and follow along. I'm covering one gut health ingredient at a time.